height. And hopefully, I'm gonna fly it from this here Triumph. It doesn't say anything about not flying it while driving a motorcycle. Oh, I just dive bombed my mirror. Is it working? Okay, that's working. Now we gotta get liftoff. Gotta get liftoff. Oh my God, it's working! It's working! Oh. Hi there.
Hi.
Not allowed?
I'm trying to find something to give you a ticket over it.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice one. Oh, bummer. It worked though. Totally worked. I got stopped by the popo. Cop didn't write me a ticket. It's a good day. I know that guy. Oh, it's one of those Polaris slingshots, huh? Temp tag and all. Interesting. Interesting. And there goes Jesse. Like I was like, oh, I should have waved to that bike, and then I realized it was Jesse. 4 hours late.
Bro.
I'm scared. Oh my. Fancy. It just makes you want to do bad things. I thought my bike did that. This one really does. I didn't fucking pass 9,000 and I did that. That's awesome. Well, shit, okay. Sexy bitch. You gotta do the thing. You gotta do the thing. Ah! Ah!